Hello and welcome to Ambition Success. My name is SK and you are watching Chapter Ways to Online. Friends, this is part of the video series on digital greetings designing. Please refer to description section to watch previous and next video to this video. So friends, now you know how to create a digital greetings and how to share that online. Now also you have come to know that how to shorten URL of websites created under free Google Sites to a short URL and share with others. But still, if you look the URL, it is not a professional URL. And also few people will still dare to click here because of security reason. So there is another option. You can create a website with your domain and then incorporate that with this SMS or with this message and share with other. Yes, I'm talking about inserting or embedding this slideshow into your website and then mapping that with your domain. Though it seems very technical, it is not. Let's see what it is all about. Now you have your slides. Now you go to Google Sites. To go to Google Site, go to Google Apps, then go to Sites. Then when you are in Sites, just click Slides from the right hand side panel and then select that slides which you have just created and insert that. You can change some settings of it. And you can place as per your convenience. There is always option to change the background as per your requirement, like the way I have changed. And also there are themes which you can use as per your requirement. Now how you can add this website to your domain and create a beautiful and reliable domain name or URL for this purpose. For that you have to go to publish, and when first time you will publish here, you will have to write a name, website name. For this case, I have selected greetings. I have to remember this at the time of mapping. To map this, now you have to go to admin of your Google G Suite. It looks like this. And inside admin, you will have web address mapping. This is G Suite admin panel. You have to click add new web address and then you have to write greetings, which is the name of your newly created websites. And here also you can write the same. So your new URL will be greetings.ambitionsuccess.co.in. Click add mapping. It is added. Now you have to give little bit time to complete the settings and then you will be able to see it online with your domain name, with your reliable URL. And also to check whether it has been mapped properly or not, refresh your website and then go to publish setting, and then you will be able to see this site is also visible at greetings. I'm writing this inside the description section of this video so that you can open it and view it. So friends, I hope you liked it and very excited to create it by yourself and wish all your clients, all your friends and families. Also, there is another video on the Photoshop techniques I have mentioned before. To watch the Photoshop related video, click on the link provided in the description. But if you know Photoshop already, no problem. You can skip that video and you can watch another video on changing theme of Google Sites or free Google Sites on the basis of upcoming events. In this case, I have shown New Year. So watch that video, which is the first video link. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to get notification of my future videos, and please like and share it for encouragement. Thanks a lot. If there is will, there is ways to online.